better than dying.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna show it. Is it okay if I show this
pliers
to
or
Megan tomorrow?
No, I don't want to.
Still can bite down.
Yeah, I know. He can.
I thought his neck was broke, but it doesn't look like it now.
No.
He may have hit the branch so hard he jammed his head.
Yeah.
Yeah, something, but I'm not seeing any blood, and I can see. I can actually see and feel.
He's just in it. He just
Yeah.
stabbed himself.
Well, I don't. It doesn't appear that it's going through his skin. You know what I'm saying?
Can he just like lift his head up?
No, I'll get him. I'll get him.
He may have.
Ah, we're gonna get him. We're gonna get him. I just gotta tear some of his feathers out.
That's fine. He has like a million feathers.
Yeah, they'll come. They grow back. It's like hair, you know.
Mhm. Oh yeah, I see it. It's a hair stuck in it.
Yeah, I think he pierced. He just barely pierced himself, just a little bit. Just a little bit of the skin.
Yeah, you can't swim when you're almost
Just
stuck.
looks like, yeah. You don't have an X-Acto blade or a
Yeah, I do.
utility? Yeah, if you got a utility knife, that'd be great, man.
Yep.
That's all I need. We got you, buddy. You're gonna make it. Some cool, really cool eyes.
Yeah. Can I show this to Megan tomorrow?
Whoa, 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 whoa. We're gonna get you.
Just one second.
Get you.
There we go. Head's locked.
Yep, that's all right. I just gotta cut that one little thing, Chief. Then you're gonna be okay.
Is it gonna hurt him?
Well, he's about to hurt me. Yes. Hold on. I'm more worried about that talon than the other one. Man. Ugh, this- All right, hold on, dude. One little cut and you'll be good. I think that's it. All right, look out, stand back.
Yay!
Is he all right? Seem like he's all right?
Not closing his mouth yet, but he may still be just trying to breathe.
Yeah, I think he might have got a little overextended.